soft.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is still January 1. Anong araw? Magsi-7 na ng gabi at nandito pa rin kami sa aming colony guys. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa kami nag-shower, hindi ito pa rin yung outfit ko kahapon, hindi pa kami nakauwi talaga. Pero yeah, we've been lazy. I've been sleeping here on and off, but it's fine. And now it's time for eating. Pinabili ko si Marty ng chicken with fries kasi yun lang naman yung madali ang available dito. And I'll show you my food real fast. Ang laki. Yumsy. So magmukbang tayo guys. Mukbangers. So yung pagkain ng Martin, kabi masya kayo. What is it called?
A burger.
Jumbo burger?
Just a burger.
Mega size burger. Ganyan. Pero hindi maubos niya. Hindi ko na maubos yun sa akin. So, it's okay pa rin. Ito yung ano dito, sauce. Grabe ang katina ng katawan ko I'm so itchy dong feeling.
It's also like you got so many scales on your body.
It's actually itchy. And also very uncomfortable to sit with it because you can feel it's like
I got very comfy clothes on. I like it.
sarap.